Welcome back, students. So we are in chapter 6, that is nothing but it is your introduction to word processor. And now we are going to have discuss part 4, that is working with tables. So what is a table and why you need a table? Yes, a table is nothing but it is a grid of rows and columns. So this is the way how the table will be for you. So this is your row. Yes, these are your rows and these are your columns. The horizontal area is called as your row and this as a whole it is your column. Okay, wow. Yes, this is your row. The combination of or it is a collection of row and column is called as your table. So why you people are in need of table? Yes, just to have an alternate way to have your document. Otherwise you people are willing to arrange everything in a neat format. I need everything in a tabular format, then only it will be more neat for me means. Yes, you people can change that. Yes, simple to tell. To organize the materials, you people are in need of tables. To organize the materials, it will be neatly organized for you. For example, timetable, it is in a tabular column format only, rows and columns. By means of that, you people are able to easily identify each sessions. Okay, wow. So for that only we are in need of table. So first we can see what are the methods you people are having to insert the tables. So first we are going to discuss what are the different methods to insert tables. Here we are having two methods to create a table. Here we are having two methods to create a table. So before creating the table, what you have to see is just you people in the page. You have to be in the page where you are in need of your table. Have your insertion pointer correct. So for example, you will consider this is your page. Here you are in need of your table means what you have to do? Here only you must have your insertion pointer. எந்த இடத்துல உனக்கு டேபிள் வேணுமோ அந்த பேஜில் அந்த இடத்துல நீ என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும்? உன்னோட insertion pointer வச்சுக்கணும். After having that, what do you have to do? Yes, you are having two methods. I told you. The first method, it is your table icon. First method, you have to go on with a table icon. So we know in the menu bar, next you will be having the toolbar. Under that you will be having many icons, no? So in that you have to click table. In that you have to click table icon. How it will be for you? Yes, it will be like this. Yes, it will be like this for you. Here you will be having small inverted arrow mark. Okay, well, like this you will be having. When you are going to click this one, yes, immediately the drop down grid will be displayed for you. From that you people can select the needed number of rows and columns. And just you people அது ரோஸ் அண்ட் காலம்ஸ் உனக்கு வேண்டிய அளவு நீ என்ன பண்ணிடு செலக்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஜஸ்ட்டு கிளிக் பண்ணாலே போதும். ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்லி the tables with how many rows and columns that you people have selected, that will be displayed in the page where you are having the insertion pointer. So the first step is by clicking the table icon, and the next step is by means of insert table dialog box, and the next it is insert table dialog box. So we are going to use a dialog box. So to have the dialog box, what do you have to do? Yes, you have to select. First you have to select table. Next you have to insert table. You have to select table, insert table. Otherwise what do you have to do? Yes, you are having a shortcut key, that is your Control plus F12. Yes, you can click Control plus F12. Otherwise you can left click the table icon. Here we have discussed the table icon. No? That method also you can proceed. So totally you are having two methods to follow. The first one, you have to click table icon. In that you people can select the needed number of rows and columns. And the next method, it is nothing but it is insert table dialog box. For that what you have to do? You have to click table, insert table. Otherwise the shortcut key you people are having is Control plus F12. Okay, wow. Similarly what will be displayed for you? Yes, a dialog box will be displayed. A dialog box will be displayed for you. So here you will be having your title bar, close button. So title bar is nothing but it is insert table. Okay va? So next you people can have your name of the table. So default it will be table 1. Default it will be table 1 for you. Okay va? Next you people can have the size, that is columns. Next it is your rows. What else column you people can have? You can select it or you people can type it here. Next you yes, next it is your options. Under that you people are having a checkbox for heading. If you people are willing to specify the heading, yes, you people have to select here. Next you people are having the next one, it is your don't split table. So for example, if you people are going to have a table, it is going to fit 2 pages. அதாவது உன்னோட டேபிள் ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருந்தது அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆக போகிறதுல 2 பேஜில் டிஸ்பிளே ஆகாமல் ஐ நீட் இட் இன் அ சிங்கிள் பேஜ் அப்படி மீன்ஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு செலக்ட் டோன்ட் ஸ்பிளிட் table. அப்போ உன்னோட டேபிள் என்ன ஆகாது, ஸ்பிளிட் ஆகாது. அண்ட் த நெக்ஸ்ட் பீப்புள் ஆர் ஹேவிங் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், இட் இஸ் யோர் பார்டர். ஸோ உன்னோட டேபிளுக்கு பார்டர்ஸ் இருக்கணும்னா யூ பீப்புள் ஹாவ் டு செலக்ட். ஸோ டிஃபால்ட் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்லி இட் வில் பி ஆல்ரெடி செலக்டட் ஃபார் யூ. ஸோ இது என்ன இருக்கும், உனக்கு ஆல்ரெடி செலக்ட் ஆகி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் that you people are having under insert table. How you people will be having this insert table dialog box? Yes, for that you have to click table, insert, again you have to click table. Otherwise what you have to do, you have to click control plus F12. Okay va? So there what else options you people will be having? You will be having name. Here you can type the table name. What else you people are willing, you people can type. Otherwise the default one is table 1. Next you people have to specify rows and columns. What else, how many rows, how many columns you people are in need, you people can specify it here. Next heading. What else the heading? To define the, it is to define the first row in the table as the heading. Okay va? So the next it is your repeat heading. You people can repeat the heading for each and every row. Okay, if it is going to span to more than one row, one page means you people can have your repeat heading. And the next one it is your don't split table, and the next one it is your don't split table, and the next one it is nothing but it is your border. So these are the options that you people are having under what for you? Yes, insert table dialog box. So say okay va? So clear with this one? Yes, you are having 2 methods to insert a table. What are the 2 methods? The first one it is by means of your table icon, and the next it is by means of insert, that is by means of your insert table dialog box. Okay va? So to have your insert table dialog box, what is the procedure that you have to follow? Table, insert table. Otherwise what you have to do, you have to click control plus F12. So these are the options, these are the headings that you people are having in insert table dialog box. The first one it is your name, next one rows and columns, next one heading, next one repeat heading, don't split table, and the last one it is your border. So clear with the procedure how to insert table. Yes, next we are going to have the next one. It is your formatting your table. Yes, before seeing the formatting a table, you people can have another one button, that is your auto format button. So there it will be seen for you. Yes, it will be seen in the dialog box. Just now we finished insert table dialog box. No, there you people will be having one option, it is your auto format. What do you mean by auto format? It is going to display the table in what else formats that you people are willing, whether it can be in a 3D format or it can be in a color format, or if you want to be in what is the colors, whether it is blue, brown, lavender, yellow, black color, red color, what else the color you people are in need, you people can select it from the format. It will be available under auto format dialog box. Okay va? So where what before that what you have to do, you have to click auto format button. Okay va? So clear with this one? So this is the way how you people can change the style of your உன்னோட டேபிள் வெறுமனே அந்த டேப்லெட் காலம் மாதிரி இருக்கிறத விட அதுக்கு 3D லுக்கு கலர்ஸ்லாம் பார்டர்ஸ்க்கு கலர்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணால் எஸ் யூ பீப்புள் கேன் டூ. ஃபார் தட் வாட் யூ ஹவ் டு டூ, த இன்சர்ட் டேபிள் டயலாக் பாக்ஸில் first box வரைஞ்சு போடும்போது அடியில் இருந்ததுல, yes, bottom you people are having the auto format no button. You have to click that one, so automatically auto format dialog will be displayed. In that format, what else the formats that are available, you people have to select it and you people can use that one. So clear with the procedure? Yes, next we can see the next one. It is your formatting table. Already you people know what is formatting. What is formatting? Yes, changes in the default setting is called as your formatting. So now formatting table means something default already will be there. You people are going to change that one. So what else you people can change? Yes, you people can change the table layout. You can change the table layout. Next you people can change the table text. Yes, next you people, if you are willing to add or remove, if you are willing to add or remove, that is your columns or rows, yes, you people can do. Similarly, you people can merge cells, you can split cells. Similarly, you can change borders, you can change the borders and backgrounds. So these are the formatting options that are available under that you people can do. These are the formatting options that are seen in the formatting the table. The first one, you people can change the table layout. Next, table text. Next, you people can add or remove columns or the rows. Next, you people can merge the cells. Next, you people can split it. Next, you people can change the borders and the backgrounds. So now we can see the next two. It is your how to insert row and columns. Next, we are going to see how to insert rows. Next, it is your columns. Yes, we are going to have that procedure. For that, what do you have to do? So already I told you people. So this is your page, means where else you need the table, have the insertion pointer there. Yes, now the table is displayed here for you. Yes, so this table, it is going to have how many columns? 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns, and you are going to have 1 2 3 4 rows. Okay, wow. Yes, you are having 6 columns and 4 rows. The table is displayed. So now you people are willing to insert another one row. What do you have to do? Yes, for example, 1 2 3 4 5, I am going to willing to insert a row here. In this, what I have to do? Yes, I have to keep the insertion pointer here. Then I have to right click. I have to keep the insertion pointer. First point is keep the insertion pointer at the correct row where you have to insertion pointer where you have to insert. Keep the insertion pointer in the correct row where you have to correct row or column where you have to insert the row or the column. Next, what do you have to do? Yes, next you have to right click. Right click. Immediately what will be displayed for you? Yes, in row heading will be displayed. Next, in that you have to click insert. Next, you people have to click insert. If you are going to insert a row, means you have to right click row insert. If you are willing to have a insert a column, means what you have to do? Yes, in the right click, a pop-up menu will appear. No, in that you will have to select column. You have to select column. Next, you people have to select insert. Okay, one. So now you people are having the option to select column. Otherwise, you people can select row. So after clicking this one, what will be displayed? A dialog box will be displayed for you. A dialog box will be displayed. So first we can see how to insert rows. Okay, wow. So the dialog box will be insert rows. Yes, so insert number. That is how many number of row that you people can type it here, or you people can select here. Here you will be having OK, and the next one, it is your cancel. Okay, wow. And here position. Position means where before, next it is after. So just now I told you, where you are willing to insert the row, there you people must have your இன்சர்ஷன் பாயிண்டர். ஸோ இன்சர்ஷன் பாயிண்டர் இங்கே இருக்குது. இந்த இன்சர்ஷன் பாயிண்டருக்கு பிஃபோரா ஆஃப்டரா வேர் யூ நீட் த ரோ that you people have to select it here. So after the insertion pointer means I have to select the after button. I have to select the after button. If I am in need of the insertion pointer before, need of the row before the insertion pointer means I have to select it here. So here I am having the option to select how many numbers of rows and row. Here I have return as 1, so I can have only one row. If I am willing to have many rows, I can select that also. So this is the way how the rows you people can insert. So same procedure only you people have to follow to insert column also. What you have to do? Yes, have the cursor at the needed place, right click, then you people have to click column insert. Similarly here we are having insert rows dialog box, no? Similarly you people will be having insert column dialog box. How many columns you people are in need, you people can have type it here. Next, in which position, whether it is to the before or after the dialog box, that you people can specify it. Before and after the insertion point you people specify it, that is you people can select that one. Then you people click OK. So automatically the row column will be inserted for you. So clear with the procedure how you people have to insert row and column. Yes, next we can see how to delete rows and columns. Yes, what are the steps needed to delete row and column? Yes, first you people have to place the insertion pointer where you people are in need to delete the row or it can be your column. Then what you have to do? Yes, first point it is you have to place the insertion pointer. Yes, place the insertion pointer. And next what you have to do? Yes, you people have to right click. So don't forget, எந்த காலமை எந்த ரோவை டெலிட் பண்ணுறியோ அந்த இடத்துல போய் என்ன பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ, உன்னோட இன்சர்ஷன் பாயிண்டரை வச்சுக்கோ. Then you people right click, immediately row. If you are willing to delete the row means select row. Immediately you people have to select delete. So the selected where you people are having the insertion pointer, that row will be deleted. If you are willing to delete the column, yes, column delete. So that column will be deleted for you. So this is the don't forget, before doing the row delete or column delete, what you have to do? You have to place the insertion pointer in which part that you people have to delete. எந்த ரோவை delete பண்ணுறியோ எந்த காலமை delete பண்ண போறியோ அந்த இடத்துல நீ என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கணும், உன்னோட இன்சர்ஷன் பாயிண்டரை வச்சுருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? எஸ், நெக்ஸ்ட் we can see how to merge cells. merge cellsனால் என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஸோ இப்படி ஓகேவா, இந்த செல்லெல்லாம் இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன், merge பண்ணியிருக்கேன். So that is your merge cells. Next you people are going to have merge. So ரெண்டு காலம் ரெண்டு row அப்படி நம்ம merge பண்ண போகிறோம்னா that is your merge. So first what you have to do? Yes, first step you have to select the cells. எந்த cells எல்லாம் merge பண்ண போகிறியோ you have to select the cells. Next what you have to do? Next you have to right click. Next you people have to right click. The next you people will be having cell merge. Next you can have cell merge. Okay, va? Otherwise what you people can do? Yes, you can have table. You have to select table merge cells. Otherwise what you people have to do? You have to select table merge cells. So first how many cells you people are willing to merge, just you people select that one. Then right click cell merge, right click, and you will be having a pop-up menu. In that you have to select cell, then you have to select merge. Otherwise you are having another one option, that is you have to select, that you have to choose, that you have to click table merge cells. So this is the step that you have to follow to merge cell. Next we can see how to split cells. Next you are going to split the cell. Yes, before splitting what do people have to do? You have to select the cells. You have to select the cells. And next what do people have to do? Yes, next you have to right click. Next you have to right click. What will be displayed for you? Your pop-up menu will be displayed. In that you people have to click cell split. Otherwise what you can do? Otherwise you have to select table split cells. Okay, ma'am. These are the procedure that you people have to follow to split the cell. So after selecting, you will be having this one now. So two options you are having: right click, select cell, split. Otherwise you have to choose table, split cells. Then what will be a split cell dialog box will be displayed for you. In that you people have to select whether you have to split the cell in the horizontal direction or in the vertical direction. This lead to a dialog box. Okay, wow. In that only you people are going to specify or how many cells you have. அதை உன்னோட செல்லை நீ எத்தனை இதாக செல்லை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண விரும்புகிற அப்படிங்கிறத நீ ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணிடு. ஸோ வெதர் இட் இஸ் டு பி ஸ்ப்ளிட்டட் இன் த ஹொரிசாண்டல் டைரக்ஷன் ஆர் இன் த வெர்டிக்கல் டைரக்ஷன் ஆர் இன் ஈக்குவல் ப்ரொபோர்ஷன் எவ்ரிதிங் கேன் பி ஸ்பெசிஃபைட் இன் த ஸ்ப்ளிட் செல் டயலாக் பாக்ஸ். இன் த ஸ்ப்ளிட் செல் டயலாக் பாக்ஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த வே ஹவு யூ பீப்புள் கேன் ஸ்ப்ளிட் த செல். ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் நவ் வி ஹாவ் ஃபினிஷ்ட் how to delete. Next we finished merge cells and next we finished split cells. How to merge? Don't forget, before splitting or merging, what do people have to do? You people have to select the cells. Then you have to right click. If you are going to merge it, what are the steps you have to follow? Cell merge. If you are going to split that one, what do you have to do? Select cell split. Yes, clear with the topic. What else we have discussed by now? Yes, today what the topic we are discussing? Yes, it is working with tables. So you people know what is a table and why you people are in need of a table, and what is a row and what is a column. So how many methods are there to insert a table? Yes, you are having two methods to insert table. So methods to insert table, you are having two methods. First one, it is nothing but it is your table icon. You have to click that table icon, and the next method you people have to go on with insert table dialog box. Insert table dialog box. How you people will be having your insert table dialog box? For that you have to select from the menu bar. Okay, va? Table, insert table. You have to select table, insert table. Otherwise you have to click Control plus F12. Immediately what will be displayed for you? Yes, insert table dialog box will be displayed for you. In that we have discussed many options. That is your name. Next, rows, how many rows and columns you people are in need. Heading, repeat heading, do not split table, border option, that and all we have discussed. Similarly, there you people are having another one option. It is nothing but it is your auto format. Here you people can select the style or the format of the table. Style or format of the table can be selected by clicking this one. Okay, wow. And next we have discussed formatting table. Next topic we've discussed is formatting a table. What do you mean by formatting? Yes, changing the table layout, table text, size of the table, position of the page, adding or removing rows and columns, merging, splitting, changing borders and background. In that first we discussed how to insert. So I am writing as a common. Okay, wow. Both procedure are more or less same for insert rows and columns. Yes, what is the procedure? It is nothing but, don't forget, place the insertion pointer at the correct place where you are need to insert the row and column. Then next you people have to right click. From that you have to select row, insert. If you are in need to have a column, you can select column also. Okay, wow. Then you have to, then a dialog box will be displayed. There you can specify the rows and columns. Before or after that you people can specify. Next we have discussed how to delete it. Yes, same. Don't forget, have the insertion pointer in the place where you people are willing to delete. Okay, wow. Next what you have to do? Yes, next you have to right click. Yes, you will be having row, column and delete. If you are willing to delete the row, select row. If you are willing to delete the column, you people can click the column and delete. By means of this method, the selected row and the column will be deleted for you. And next we have discussed, it is your merge. Merge means joining two rows or two columns. First you have to select the needed cells. Select the cells. Next, what do you have to do? Same, right click. You will be having table. Sorry, right click, cell, merge. Otherwise, what do you have to do? Yes, you have to go on with table, merge cells. Okay, va? Then to split, what do you have to do? Yes, here we can have select the needed cells. Then what do you have to do? You have to right click, then right click, cell, split. Dialog box will be displayed. There you have to go on. Otherwise, what you have to do? You have to click table, split cell. You can go on with table, split cell. So by means of this, you people can do the splitting and merging of cells. Merging or splitting of the cells can be done. So clear with the topics. What else we have discussed by today? Yes, clear with the topics. How to insert method, insert table. That is how you people can insert, formatting, then deleting, then merging and splitting. Clear with the topic. What else we have discussed by today? Yes, thank you students.